Good morning. Today is Tuesday. It is April 2nd, and it is day 2. That's all week this week. I would like to begin by giving thanks for the traditional ancestral territory that is our meeting ground today. We acknowledge the many First Nations, Métis, and Inuit whose footsteps have marked these lands for generations. We are grateful for the stewardship and teachings of elders and traditional knowledge keepers, and the efforts of youth and individuals who continue to protect land and language. Please take this time to acknowledge the caretakers of the land, the First Nations, Métis, and Inuit, and those who share and contribute to the land, the four-legged, two-legged, fin-feathered crawlers, trees, plants, water, sun, and moon. This reading is an acknowledgement of the historical relationship between Indigenous and non-Indigenous communities on Turtle Island, and it is a call to action to walk together towards reconciliation. So, I hope you all had a fantastic break, and if you didn't, that's okay. We are here. We're back at it. So, April's going to happen quickly. We've got Rochap High School here today, getting kids, all the grade 9s, registered for next year. That's happening. We've got GSA in room 205 at lunch, and we've got Sarah McLaughlin, and we've got a senior badminton game. Now, this is not like watching basketball. We are actually not going to allow student spectators unless you're on the junior team, because the way the courts are set up for badminton is super tight in the gym, and we've got some visiting schools. So please know that this is kind of a friendly, so I believe. So we'll see what happens there. That's good luck to our senior badminton team. Tomorrow's Wolfpack Wednesday, so wear your Wolfpack gear. I do need to go through March Madness, though, so I'm going to just kind of be looking to the side of me. Today, we are in the Elite 8. We are going to crown a champion by the end of the week, which is super exciting. I'll probably announce that next week, Monday, because we're going to let the voting go on Friday as long as we can. So we have 2 songs up against each other. Well, I mean, we've got a bunch, but we've got Hey Ya by Outkast up against Drop It Like It's Hot with Snoop Dogg and Pharrell. So you've got to pick one of those. And then we've got In the Club by 50 Cent up against Yeah by Usher. So that's going to be a tight one, I'm sure. We've got Clocks by Coldplay up against One More Time by Daft Punk. And then we've got Toxic by Britney Spears up against Mr. Brightside the Killer. So that is it's going to be an exciting day in the Elite 8, and we're going to see what voting's open. I would love to see everybody vote if they can. If you have a Chromebook, just pop on. You've heard the songs. I mean, I could sing them for you, but that would be a little awful. Tomorrow, I'm going to play a little clip of the songs for you so you can hear them, but you should be fairly familiar with all of these ones. So go and vote. Right now, in the lead, we have... I announced this the other day. I think it's Mrs. Fraser is in the lead, followed by... No, sorry, Miss Town is in the lead. No, maybe not. My numbers are all wrong. Miss Singh is in the lead, followed by Miss Town and Miss Fraser. So, let me go back and do this again. I like getting caught up in numbers. So we've got Miss Singh is in the lead, followed by Miss Town, and then in third place right now is Mrs. Fraser. So that's what's happening. But there's a bunch of people up really close to that, so we'll see what happens today as we vote. That is all I have for you. I am so glad to be back, and I'm so glad to see your faces today. Let's rock it today, okay? And I love you. Have a fantastic day of learning. If I can find my stop button.